Say fuck it.
No. No throat punch. Okay, listen.
All we need to get married is a ring.
Are you gonna catch me wrong on the
Winston, just say it. I'm set up.
Do this, at least not quite.
Hurry up, Schleich.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, hold up.
No, ignore it.
Wait, what are you on?
It's your mom.
Ignore it right now. Okay, say it loud so my laptop can hear you. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I'm Jeremy Winston and I'm about to get punched in the face by a girl.
It's so nice.
Oh shit!
I believe we missed that one.
I didn't. I got it all on my laptop. You got knocked the hell out, but her battery died in her camera. I got it on my laptop though.
Yeah, this actually sucks.